So today we are doing to see what's inside the 3D printer. Yes. So, but before we do that,
okay. So with the toy box, what we ordered was the ToyBox Deluxe Bundle. It comes with 8 colors with the printer, and then we ordered an extra color that was not included. We're gonna have the girls show you guys what colors it is. Lali, will you show them the first one?
the first one is printer
What does it
filled
say on the color?
yellow. So it means
It's
lemon.
lemon. So it's the color yellow. If you open it, so you can show them how it looks. It comes in a sealed package. So it's airtight sealed. And this is how the lemon looks like. So very yellow. We're gonna look at a different color, Amy.
So this color is purple, so that means it's grape.
They call it grape in the ToyBox series. We're gonna open and see what that color looks like.
It's like a whitish kind of.
So here's the purple. It also comes in a airtight container. What other colors do we have?
There is blue, tealish blue, and it says mint.
So it's considered mint and it's teal.
So it's teal.
So it's like an aqua color, if you guys can see here.
So we'll show you another one. So this one, it's white, so it's coconut.
They call their white color coconut. And that one actually came inside the big box.
It kind of feels.
So if you guys look at it, it's white.
The next color is gonna be sesame.
Sesame, and that means that's the color black.
Yep. And here's the black.
And here's the black.
As you can see,
It's also in an airtight container.
all of them are in the airtight. Like mostly,
To preserve them, to make sure that they last long enough.
yeah. Amy. Next one is red, so it's cherry.
Cherry is considered a red color. So we'd expect it to look red. Let's see how it looks. We had not seen these colors, so this is the red, pretty much cherry.
It's the pretty cherry. This one is if you
It's
this
peach.
Is peach.
It's basically a skin color.
Yeah.
I'm assuming they use that a lot for their character.
Yeah.
And here's the peach. So the last one that came with the bundle is the one Amy's holding.
It's the blue one with
It's the blueberry,
blueberry.
which is the other blue color. We already had a mint, which is like an aqua. This is more like a baby blue kind of color. And then since I had contacted the company to ask them what colors came with the printer, I went ahead, since I didn't see a pink one, we went ahead and ordered the bubble gum, and that was an extra
Here's the bubble
extra
gum.
from the bundle.
And of course, maybe it's pink. Yeah, it's pink because bubble gum is pink.
So we have the pink one right here. There were still other colors I didn't order, like an orange and a couple others, but I wanted to see how these looked before I ordered more. Here in this little box, can you show us what's in there, Amy?
Yeah.
I believe that's what it starts the printer itself. And then they gave, what is this, Citlali?
This is.
They gave a little tiny manual
Yeah.
that just basically has a couple of instructions. They just basically say to plug it in and then to follow. It says here to plug it in, connect the electronic delivery service back to the toy box. We visit the page and then we're ready to start printing and having fun. We still haven't set it up. We just got it in the mail today. So
Yeah.
here's the printer itself.
Yeah. We're not gonna open
It's a pretty good size. We're gonna go ahead and open it, and we're gonna record another video on how to install it and what goes with the installation process.